from the Tri-State's only high-def station. This is Good Morning Tri-State.
In high definition.
Coming up on Good Morning Tri-State, saving you money on your 2007 taxes. Cindy, thank you so much. The year is quickly coming to an end, but there's still time for you to save money on your 2007 tax return. Bill Hesch is here from the William Hesch accounting firm with tax planning tips. And of course, when we want to save money, if we can do it on our taxes, that's one good way to go about it.
Absolutely. It's the easiest thing you can do if you do a little bit of planning. And here we are in December, and we're really almost running out of time. But there are a few things we can do this month before the end of the year is over.
Tell us about the kiddie tax. What is that, and what are the rules that are changing?
Right. Well, the kiddie tax is where children, dependent children, their interest, dividends, and capital gains are taxed at their parents' tax rates, which are usually higher than their rates. And that age is going to increase in 2008. This year, it stops at age 19.
Okay.
Next year, college-age students are going to be affected. So December is the last month we have that if the college-age students have stocks that have capital gains, they can sell them this month and pay a low tax. If they wait till next year, which usually they might use the money for college, it's going to be too late and they'll have to pay tax at the parents' capital gain rates.
Okay, so that's one thing to look into. You also said shift income to next year.
It's a basic strategy that if you have a year-end bonus or if you're in business, a cash basis type of business owner, a good strategy is just shift it into January and you pay tax next year instead of this year. And
you say always giving back. Make a donation.
Absolutely. And with all my clients, I say you want to make a goodwill donation every year. $500 at least, so that you need a receipt. And that's another thing I want to emphasize too, because they changed the rules this year that tax receipts for donations, you're required to have them. So you got to be careful about that.
Okay.
But this is a good time to get your last minute donation in.
Okay, we're running out of time on that then. What about pay real estate taxes by the end of the year?
Well, the Hamilton County real estate taxes are due in January. You can go in the last week of December and pay them this year.
Okay.
And you're going to be paying it anyway. You might as well get the deduction this year. And also, if you have extraordinary income, you might owe state and city taxes on some income, capital gains. So pay it in December instead of January or April of next year.
And what about home improvements? And you say even looking into buying a hybrid car could save you some money.
If you're buying a car, you can buy a hybrid car, an alternative fuel car, and you get a tax credit for 2007. They also have a special rule for home improvements where you have insulation for doors or windows. Any type of energy-saving home improvements qualify for a tax credit of up to $500.
Tell us too about the AMT planning. What is this, and how can it actually delay some of our tax returns for next year that we're going to get back?
This is a big political battle. Thursday, the Senate rejected the House compromise. They've been working on it for a couple months. The problem is that last year 4 million taxpayers were going to be affected by alternative minimum tax. This year it's going up to 27 million, and they're trying to fix that problem in an election year. And the Democrats are saying we want to pay as you go. So if we are going to change this problem, their solution was to raise taxes for anyone making more than $250,000.
So that obviously is going to delay when you can actually file and get those things through.
They can't get all the computer systems set up, so there's going to be a delay. So the strategy is if you're expected a refund, go in and change your withholding in December and don't pay that money in and get it now, because your refund is going to be delayed.
Okay, Bill, well, we are out of time, but thank you so much for these great tips. Now, accountants from the William Hesch accounting firm will be participating in the tax saving strategies for business owners at Northern Kentucky University. It's this Tuesday, December 11th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. at the Business Education and Psychology Building. That's room 294. Now, it's free to register. Call 859-442-4281. You can also go to Wcpo and click on 9 links for more information to the website. Thanks again, Bill.
Thank you, Janelle.
And we'll be right back with a check of the forecast.